$43,000 a month. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mac if you're new here, and today I'm gonna share with you 5 different digital product ideas that you can start selling on Etsy to make passive income. Digital products are a fantastic way to make passive income. They really are. It's amazing because you only have to create the product once and you can sell it as many times as you like, because it's a file or a download or template that the customer is having access to completely digitally. So no shipping, we're creating it once, and like I said, it's a great way to make passive income, and it is beginner friendly for most of the products. So I'm gonna share with you 5 different ideas, and then I'm gonna show you the research to share how much people are actually making doing this and selling these products. I post weekly videos talking about passive income, how to make money online, and so much more. So if that interests you, go ahead and join our community here on YouTube. So let's get right into these 5 products. So first up, our very first product is going to be business or marketing planners and templates. Now, this is a huge thing because so many people are looking into starting their own business, or they want to get into marketing or learn more about this, and selling different planners or templates for them to work with is a great idea, and it's such a large market. There's so many people that are looking for help in this, and a lot of people are apparently buying these on Etsy. As you can see on my screen here, this is a small business plan template and planner, and they are selling around 120 of these a month and an estimated revenue of $700 a month, selling one template that they created one time, and they're bringing in over $700 a month with this. Now, really quick before we move on, I do want to let you know that I am using Everbee. This is a Chrome extension that you can add to your Google Chrome, and you can kind of spy on other people's listings. So I will leave that linked for you below. They do have a free plan. I know I use a bunch of different Etsy SEO and search tools. There's so many great ones, so I'll leave all of them that I use linked below for you. But in this video, I wanted to use this one so that we could spy a little bit and I could actually show you these results. Now, it is not 100% accurate. So this could be higher, this could be lower than what they're actually making. I just want to preface that. Moving on to another one that I found. So this is a digital planner that people can use in their GoodNotes or iPad. Look at how much this listing is making. This is absolutely crazy, right? $43,000 is what their estimated revenue is for this digital planner. $43,000 a month. I have pulled thousands of dollars from digital products before, but that is very, very impressive. They have done a great job with this. So this shows you it is absolutely possible to scale your Etsy shop this big. This is the highest one that I'm gonna share with you today when it comes to the results, because I wanna be realistic with you. And when you're first starting out, while this can happen overnight, it's not really realistic. As much as I do live by delusion and I love, putting good energy into those kind of things, I do want to be straight up with you, and they probably are a seasoned seller if I were to go to their shop. Yeah, they have 50,000 in sales. So they probably have been on Etsy for quite some time here, but this listing is only 4 months old. So that just shows you right there that it is possible. So anybody that tells you it's not, refer back to this, because seriously, insane. So if you're wondering how could you create something like this, because it's a template, you can use Canva to actually create files that people can access using an editable file link. So what you would do is create this in your Canva account, in your own account, and then share the editable link with the customer that purchases it so that they can go in using their own Canva account to edit the document that you just made. So it's so amazing. I love Canva so much. I do have a free trial for you below. There also is Template, which is another option as well, but I always choose to go with Canva. Again, everything will be linked below for you that I'm speaking about in this video. So our next product is printable or editable labels. So people are getting really into organizing in their homes, whether it be a spice rack or just labeling things in their pantry or even toiletries. So many different ways that you could go about this, but creating labels that people can print out on sticker paper and use in their homes. You can also sell these as editable files so people can go in and just use, your template here and type in their own words. But as you can see here on my screen, this one is selling about $18 a month at the price of $15, and they're bringing in almost $300 in revenue just from selling this label. Now, I don't want to speak on how long it took this person to create this, But from what the product looks like, this is pretty basic, right? Insane. Absolutely insane. So again, a great idea. And if you really want to get, you know, a little bit more creative with it, you can sell printable tags or wine labels. So I did find these tags here. They're selling them for $7 a month, and they're doing around $460 in revenue selling printable tags. So if we open this up here, it is an editable file, so I'm assuming with Canva or template. So they created essentially, you know, a template with some dimensions here, and you can then go in and edit it and print it out on your own. $3, and they're doing some pretty good sales. Now, along with what I mentioned before, this can be created in the same way. It's just about getting those dimensions. And a great way, if you don't know the dimensions to create these products in, is to spy on other people's listings, see what dimensions are being offered and purchased. Moving on to our next product here is printable coloring pages. I found this to be silly, but I was actually talking to a friend and she was telling me that she's been coloring a lot lately. And that sparked in my brain to look into this, because I was like, I've sold coloring books on KDP. Are people buying them on Etsy? And they are. So as you can see, this is a printable coloring page, and this one is selling at $4, and they're doing over $100 in revenue. Now, this is on the lower side, but still, they're making $100 in passive income from selling this. This one here as well, 75-page coloring book for $9, and they're doing over $400 a month in revenue as well. So these are selling. They're doing good. This one is on the larger side. However, it is still possible to create these. Something cool about the coloring pages is you can actually purchase them with a commercial license for resale using websites like Creative Fabrica or Creative Market. So you can get them essentially created for you. And if you're interested in this, let me know, because I do want to look more into using AI and maybe share a video with you guys. But there are ways that you can create every product that I'm showing with you using AI, which is amazing. So leave me a comment down below if you want to see a video on that. But a lot of these are, you know, black and white mandalas, like I said, that you can find on Creative Market or Creative Fabrica. So I have 2 more products to share with you, but if you are enjoying this video, go ahead and let me know by leaving a like. This helps me to understand what kind of content you guys want to see. So feel free to leave me a like and comment if you do find this video helpful. So our next product is Printable Wall Art. Now, I know I have talked about this before, but guys, printable wall art has huge potential. It is not oversaturated. It's just about finding a niche and a different aesthetic to it. You can absolutely still make money selling these. So for instance, this one here, boho art print bundle. Now the key here is selling bundles, because you can charge more, which means you're making more revenue per sale. So bundling a bunch of different art pieces together. This one's selling for $23, and they're making over $400 a month. And this listing here is a little bit older than the other one, so maybe the boho art prints could be more of a saturated market, so maybe go into like different aesthetic prints. But again, it's about doing your research here, but these are still selling well. $400 a month is still great for a digital product, because again, no shipping. Now this bundle, boom, mind blown. Look at this. This is an 8-month-old listing. An 8-month-old listing of a 24 printable wall art bundle. They are making $4,000 a month in revenue selling this. That right there can replace somebody's job. It's insane. So really take my word for it. Really look into creating different unique art prints. Again, you can use Canva to create these pretty easily. You can also use Placeit and buy these pre-done, which is a really cool idea. And same goes for Creative Fabrica or Creative Market by bringing in those different images and essentially creating your own beautiful art to sell. Make it once, sell it, make $4,000 a month. This is insane. So our last product for today is invitations. Now, this can either be printable or digital. A digital invitation would be what I was talking about, you know, when you're selling something that can be edited in a Canva file or a template file. And then that can be just a download that someone emails to people as an invitation, or they edit it and print it out. And you don't even have to make them customizable. You can just have it say happy birthday. The ones I'm showing you though are customizable. This one's $4. making over 100 in revenue a month, which is a little low for how old the listing is, but maybe it's because the birthday niche, you know, is a little bit more touched in. So again, niching down, tapping in, getting creative with it. But as we can see, they are still selling. And then I found this one, the digital invitation, that is doing $900 a month for $13 is what they're selling it for. This one's customizable in Canva or template. And you know, this listing is beautiful. Take note on this. And as you can see here, again, they're doing absolutely amazing by selling this. Those are the 5 products I wanted to share with you. I really wanted to show you those results too, because I do get a lot of questions of, are people actually making money with this? Is this too saturated? And that should show you right there that you can absolutely do this. You can start pulling in lots of revenue selling these digital products. So I highly recommend getting started. And if you are brand new or you want to learn more, I do have other videos going a little bit more in depth on the creation process and how to upload it on Etsy. And I just launched my digital product course that is for Etsy. It's a master course. It goes over so much. It includes a bunch of different guides that I've created for SEO, brand aesthetics, so much more. I'm super excited about it, and that is linked in the description below. You guys have been loving it. I'm so grateful I was able to share it with you. And if you use code YouTube, you can get a discount off of the already discounted launch price. So take advantage of that if you do want to get started and just have everything in front of you to create. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.